Rodney, hadn't seen you in a coon's age, man. How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
That's Lower Alabama or the other LA, Louisiana.
Yeah, so I'm Rodney Seppala, and I own 2 kitchen cabinet companies, and I'm blessed to own them with my brothers. So one is a brick and mortar that Howard visited our old location.
I remember that,
many years ago. And that side, my brother Sean owns it with me. And we finally signed up with a new operating system. We've been using QuickBooks Enterprise for years and 8 user seats and all this stuff. And we finally switched to a cloud-based system that is going to run everything and real-time reporting. And it's unbelievable. But it's a huge step for us. And we do EOS with Santiago, with both sides of the business. And Santiago's been absolutely amazing. Yeah. Santiago comes and visits us. Yeah. I hear that's like special
rare.
treatment.
Don't tell them that.
But we feed him oysters, so
you
that's
feed
why
him oysters. That's supposed to be a secret, okay?
So that's
like I said, you cannot travel when you got kids. And he's like, well, I got to keep going to see Rodney. And it's like, okay, just y'all keep it a secret.
Yeah, we love him. We're family for sure.
That's awesome.
And then on the e-commerce side, so last year with Santiago's help, we launched this nationwide kitchen cabinet company. Absolutely amazing. A dream come true. We've been trying to do it for 5 years, and Santiago's been crucial all the way through. And I remember one thing that he said that was funny. We're interviewing vendors, or they're interviewing us to see if we're a good fit for them, because it's kind of like a new thing in the industry. Mm-hmm. And he's like, money talks. Santi tells us that. So we're like, okay, so we're going to share the vision with them. And we shared the vision with them, and they signed us up immediately. So that's really cool. And the big win there is we have a territory manager in South Carolina. So my brother Jamie owns that with me, and he lives in Oregon. I live in New Hampshire and Florida part of the year. So living in freedom every day.
That's what I'm talking about. Living in freedom every day, buddy.
Taking clues from you. It's just great. So.
Can I only have one complaint?
What?
I told Santi this, but obviously he hasn't told you yet.
Okay.
So you spilled the beans, I'll spill the beans.
Okay.
Why do I not know when he's going to, what is it, Anna Marie Island?
Oh, yeah, Sarasota. But yeah, Anna Marie Island is right nearby. That he came one time.
What about me?
I know. Like next time you're invited.
Okay. You need to give me some advance notice.
Okay.
It's like, hey, Chief, I'm texting Santi. I'm on Anna Marie Island with Rodney right now. I'm like, thanks a lot.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thanks, Rodney.
Thank
Proud
you,
of you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Couldn't
done
do
a great job, man. Great.